Okay, this one is a division expression. Okay, so first you need to identify the operation. Always focus on the side with the variable. E is the variable. So when there's a fraction, the number on the bottom is the divisor. So they're dividing by 2. To do the opposite of dividing by 2, it's to multiply by 2 on this side, and that gets rid of it here. But if you multiply by 2 on this side, you have to multiply by 2 on that side. And that leaves with E equals 3 times 2, and that is 6. So E equals 6, and then they just want you to graph. Pretty basic. You can find the 6, and then you plot your point there. Okay. Okay, another problem I saw on the worksheet was this one. It looked a little challenging. 1/2 equals 2m. So you need to identify the operation, but you got to focus on the side with the variable. So here's 2m. When there's a number next to the letter, that means multiply. So they're multiplying by 2. Do the opposite of that. You divide by 2. So that divides by 2. That leaves m, which is what we want. And then you have to do 1/2 divided by 2. So I'm going to go back to my fraction skills, and I know 1/2 divided by 2. And I know every whole number can be written as a fraction, so I got to turn 2 into a fraction. And then step 3 is when you're dividing the divisor, you must flip it. Okay, so this becomes 1/2 times 1/2, because I had to flip it, you see? And the division becomes multiplication. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 2 is 4. So my answer is m equals 1/4. Okay, so where's 1/4? I know 1/4. I think money all the time. 1/4 means 1/4. A quarter is 25 cents. So I look over here on my number line. Here's 0, 1. Where in the world do I have to put a quarter? So I know they split it into fourths. So it's 0, it's a quarter, 50 cents, 75 cents, $1. So again, a quarter would be the first mark. Be right there, and I could put 1/4.